Hi, Sammy fan, and welcome back to our ongoing series where we attempt to give Halo Top a chance to redeem itself after its disastrous debut on Nom Nom Sammy Boy with the lemon cake flavor of Halo Top ice cream, which I think we all remember how that went. But here we are today with a cookies and cream Halo Top. Cookies and cream, one of my favorite flavors, so I have high hopes, but they could ruin them because lemon cake is one of my favorite flavors too. But as per the instructions, I have let this sitting out on the counter for like 5-6 minutes. It says give it a couple minutes. I gave it a couple more. It feels squishy enough. No bull, no regrets, of course, as it says on the top. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna eat it out of this anyway. The packaging on this one is quite pretty. Very cookies and creamy. Little cookies with the little bites out of them and crumbs. Interior, looks kind of like bird poop, you know? But we're just gonna go ahead and get in there, I guess. Okay, nice and soft. So I know we've commented on this before, but Halo Top in general does not have quite the creamy texture you expect from an ice cream. And in this cookies and cream, it's downright gritty. I mean, it even kind of looks that way. I'm really letting it get a nice melt in my mouth to give it a fair shake. But yeah, I think it's just oh yeah, the first ingredient, skim milk. There is cream, but it's much later down the line after your alcohol sugar thing, erythritol, prebiotic fiber. So there's like fiber and fake sugar and milk protein before you even get to cream. And then there's cane sugar and cookie crumbs. So it's basically frozen water, you know, skim milk. And I have nothing against skim milk, but it's not very thick and creamy. And then it has like protein concentrate, which I think is like protein powder. So that doesn't help the texture. And then I think just the nature of this flavor, cookies and cream, there are cookie crumbles in here. Cookie crumbles and protein powder and what's basically a frozen water. It's like 3 extra kind of grainy textures together. Now the flavor. The flavor's all right. There's something I can't really place. I'm getting the chocolatey cookiness. I'm getting a little bit of the cream flavor. I'm looking at the ingredients to see if there's anything that'll place this for me. Oh, there's sea salt in this. That might be some of it. So I can taste the sea salt, but then there's a weird tanginess that I do not like. It's almost like a sour cookies and cream. Maybe that's the flavor of the protein. Maybe I'm actually tasting that. It's still okay. It's definitely not as good as the birthday cake one. So far, they're missing on all the flavored ones. The only really good one so far is the birthday cake flavor, which, as we discussed in that video, birthday cake flavor is just sugar with colored sprinkles in it. I don't know how that came to be defined as birthday cake flavor, but that's what it is. It's a sugar flavor. Yeah. And taste some chocolatiness, some cookiness, tiny bit of creaminess, but no creamy texture, which is really the important thing. And then there's this weird tang that's like going over everything and filling up like the sides and corners of my mouth. I do not like it. But it's okay. It's refreshing. I'm not gonna throw this one on the floor because the one thing I do like it for is I just came in from a long and hot sweaty walk and it feels nice after that. And the taste isn't that bad that I can't overlook the refreshingness, you know? So I'm gonna save it because I'm going back out today into the sweaty world. And when I come back home, this will be a nice way to cool off, but not, you know, not the nicest way to cool off because it still tastes bad, but you can only ask for so much from a low-fat ice cream, you know, water, basically.